All right, problem number 4 on this homework assignment. This is unit number 3. So there's some things that we can do right off the bat. There's, in fact, one of these angles, either 1, 2, or 3, we can find without doing any math at all. We can just look at it and know exactly what it should be. And the one that we could know exactly what it should be would be angle 2, because angle 2 is vertical angles with this one. So angle 2 would have to be 42 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and write that one right there. Okay. All right. Now let's look at either 1 or 3. I'm going to look at 3 first because I've got 2 angles in this triangle already. So I'm only looking at this triangle on the right-hand side. So I'm not looking at both triangles. I'm just looking at just this triangle. I'm going to, let's shade it in green. Okay. Bring it right here. Let's make this whole triangle green. Okay, so this green triangle right here. Okay, notice I have 2 of the angles, and I just need to find the missing ones. I've got this angle is 42. This one right here is 25, and I need to find this one. So I'm going to add the 2 that we know together. That's 67, and then we're going to subtract those 2 that we know from 180, because those all 3 together should add up to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 67, I think, is 113, but let me use my calculator just to make sure. 180 minus 67. Yep, 113. Oops. So angle 3, 113 degrees. Okay. All right, now let's go over to this triangle on this side, and I'll make it blue. So this blue triangle on this side. Notice, because I found that vertical angle, I actually do also have 2 of the angles in this triangle. So I can do the same thing I did in the last problem to find this missing angle. Okay? So we're going to do the same thing I did in the last one, right? I'm going to add the 2 that we know together. Ooh, that's a 2, 42. 92. And then we're going to do 180 minus 92 is 88 degrees, and that's what would go right there. Sorry, there's background music right now. All right, there you go. And that's how you do those problems.